Understanding scent packing, a simple guide to English idioms. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the world of idioms, focusing on the phrase, scent packing. Idioms can be tricky, but they are a fun and essential part of mastering English. Let's explore what scent packing means and how to use it in everyday conversation. Scent packing is an idiom that means to dismiss someone abruptly or to send someone away quickly. It often implies that the person being sent away has been rejected or is no longer wanted. This phrase can be used in both a literal and a metaphorical sense. Understanding the origin of an idiom can often help us remember it. Scent packing likely comes from the idea of packing one's belongings quickly to leave a place. Historically, it may have been used when servants or workers were dismissed and had to pack their things and leave immediately. Let's see some examples. 1. After the argument, John was sent packing by his boss. Here, it means John was dismissed from his job. 2. When she found out he was lying, she sent him packing. In this case, it means she ended the relationship or asked him to leave. You can use this phrase when talking about someone being rejected, dismissed, or forced to leave. It's often used in informal settings. For example, I can't believe the team sent their coach packing after just one loss. That's all about scent packing. Remember, idioms add color to your language and help you sound more like a native speaker. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to use them in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. See you next time.